So guys, what are the content you can sharing for LinkedIn profile? How you can sharing for Twitter profile also? In this option we'll be using what are the Twitter you can posting done in this profile. Here two options are will be here. Anyone plus Twitter. Connection only is a common option. Here, what are the sharing you are posting will be anyone plus Twitter option. Select it. Here we'll be sharing website content and we can sharing for YouTube channel content, any option. We can sharing for image also. We can sharing for image also. Now, in this I'm sharing option will be here on particular post. So first, I'm selected the option, copy the link, paste it. So here, the showing for in the particular link will be not visible in this. So I can go in for another option will be here by using image. If it is not visible by the link sometimes will not appear by in the LinkedIn option will be here. This I'm using for your particular photo will be saved. Select it, upload image. If a link is not uploaded, no worry about that link is not uploaded. We can go with option will be here by image also will be appear in this. Click for post. Anyone plus Twitter. Post option will be done. Now you will posting for where? LinkedIn profile and your Twitter wall also. Now go to your profile will be here in this. The display will be little time seconds will be delayed. So just here. Now it is visible by the here. Now click this option. They go to where you can check it out. Your particular LinkedIn profile option. But LinkedIn profile no use. In this purpose, what will do option will be called. We have to promoting for through LinkedIn company page. There is a more better for the increasing for traffic for LinkedIn company page followers will be increased. So how to use that method? First of all, what are the content your website URL? Profile is not accepted. Now you can check for your page. Check it out here. So page also not accepting. I'm selecting for another URL will be here. Sometimes you are facing problem will be like this. Here, this link will be accepted for your website. Sometimes the links will be happening in the particular website. You is facing some problem here. No worry about that. Copy this link to your particular Facebook page and using for particular hashtags. So related hashtag compulsory you can use for trending your business page purpose. I'm using these hashtags. Now here, copy here, click for post. What are the content done by post here? Same, copy this one. Before this, copy link to post, where you can sharing by the LinkedIn profile option, along with anyone plus Twitter. So it is showing for this option will be here. And what are the content you sharing will be here? Copy this overall content, paste will be here, post it. Again, will be sharing for follow button. The LinkedIn will be profile increase the page follow button, and same thing will be sharing for Twitter profile. You have to take some time to show your particular option. Just 3 minutes back will be posting. You have to wait for some seconds. Here three benefit: Twitter follows increase, LinkedIn for pay company page follows increase, and profile connection will be increased. So now, so that is the reason. What are the content you can share? First of all, LinkedIn company page to share by the LinkedIn profile. Profile to be shared by the Twitter option. So steps we can follow and use it. Now when posting this link, they go to where you can check it out your particular option. They go to your particular profile option and increase your company page followers. This method we can follow. To content will be sharing where Twitter company page to So Twitter profile. Something what LinkedIn company based to profile. Profile you can sharing for profile and the Twitter option. And here some method also will be there. The sharing time we can sharing for connections, everything. We can sharing for groups also. The benefit will be to increase your connection by group. But my question will be here to promote our LinkedIn company page content to LinkedIn profile and the Twitter wall. So finally, we have completed three will be implemented. Twitter profile, followers, LinkedIn connections, and LinkedIn company page followers will be increased. This method we can use to increase your content and your brand awareness, reach, and getting for more results on the particular website and your particular business. Definitely, we can follow these instructions on the LinkedIn Twitter option by using LinkedIn company page content. There is a benefit of increase the connection and followers, Twitter and LinkedIn option.